everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm going to show you how you can format an edit text field in PowerApps, and how you can format that to be like a currency value. So you can add a dollar sign in front of it, you can put a comma separator into it, and then you can put the decimal places into it. This is quite a common request that we get. I did look a lot of like documentation online for this, and I couldn't see many options to do this. So the way I'm going to show you today, it worked, but I'd say there's probably better ways to do it. If you're already looking for this and you find other documentation, please put in the comments, how you would achieve this. This is just one of many ways that we can do it, but I'm going to show you how you can do it now. So first things first, so as you can see, I've just got a form on a Power App here, and we've got our cost edit text here. So what you want to do is, if you come to the OnChange property of the edit text that you want the cost to change in, I'm just going to paste this snippet of code and I'll just run through what it is. So what we're doing is we're setting a variable. So we're setting a variable called ChangeNumberVar, and then what we're doing to that variable is we're taking the text of this, or the value of that piece of text, and then we're adding this little piece of formatting here, which sets the language, and then there you can see, so it puts the dollar sign in front, and then it's got the thousand separator and then the point decimal places. So that's what it does when you click off of this. So this is the OnChange. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to set the default to this to be that variable. So now if I just go to the default property, and then if I just set that here, so that should be it. So we've got the default property, which is this. So as I say, the default of this is that variable. When they click off of it, the OnChange will run. That'll take that variable, and then that'll append that variable with those extra formats. So now if I just come into this, so say for example, if I just type 7,000, if I click off of that, there you can see, so it's put a dollar sign in front of it, it's put the thousand separator, and then it's put the point decimal places. Now, just another thing with this, so I've found this documentation on it from Microsoft, and this is like the language function. So as you can see, it's just got some extra information if you needed to do like a different, a different, not a dollar sign, if you needed to do a different sign, if you're based in a different country. So I'll put the link to this in the description. I'll also put these little pieces of code in the description as well. But that's it. So there you can see, if I just change that again to 600, that'll just change that to $600. And again, as I say, this sort of helped me in the situation that I need, but please feel free to add into the comments if you see another way. I hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care.